On November 30, 2022, OpenAI launched a chatbot and virtual assistant named ChatGPT 3.5 based on a large language model. ChatGPT enabled user to refine and direct conversation toward the desired length, format, style, level of details, and language. ChatGPT is credited with the sparking the AI boom, leading to the rapid investment and gaining significant public attention in the field of AI. By January 2023, it had become the fastest growing consumer software application in the history, gaining hundreds of millions of users and contributing significantly to the OpenAI growth. At this point, OpenAI ChatGPT had attracted widespread attention over the world. March 14, 2023, OpenAI launched GPT-4, a more advanced version of ChatGPT, and made it publicly available through the paid subscription services ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT-4 works more efficiently compared to ChatGPT 3.5. Notably, ChatGPT-4 can understand and generate text in multiple languages, making for more interactive and nuanced conversation. And with this advancement, OpenAI continued to the leading the AI industry until, after observing the enormous growth and popularity of ChatGPT among users in short time period, Google decided to enter in the competition. Google announced Gemini, a large language model developed by its subsidiary Google DeepMind, during the Google I/O keynote on May 10, 2023. For those unfamiliar with Google I/O is an annual developer conference held by Google, and Gemini was positioned as a more powerful successor to the PaLM. PaLM, Pathway Language Model, is a 540 billion parameter transfer-based large language model developed by Google. On December 6, 2023, Google publicly launched Gemini, positioning it as a direct competitor to OpenAI ChatGPT 4. And now recently, OpenAI launched SearchGPT, which has sparked considerable interest in its effectiveness. But before we dive into this development, let's review what a search engine is. A search engine is a coordinated set of programs designed to search for and identify items and database that meet the specific criteria. Search engines are used to access information from the World Wide Web. When you search on Google, a crawler discovered what page exists on the web. The search engine consistently looks for the new and updated pages to add its list of the known pages. Once discovered it, the crawler examines which page to crawl and how often. And there is a lot more to this process, but that's a brief review for now. And returning to the main topic, SearchGPT, which was officially launched on July 26, 2024, is a prototype search engine that combines traditional search engine features with generative AI capability. And it is intended to integrate it into ChatGPT, but initially it was released with limited access or to 10,000 test users. And the question arises, can it beat Goku? I mean to say, can SearchGPT compete with Google? Many believe that SearchGPT is direct competitor to the major search engine like Google and Bing. Wait a minute, let me just kick this out first. Now tell me, what do you think? In my opinion, it's too early to make a definitive judgment. OpenAI's ultimate goal seems to be incorporating the search features into ChatGPT, enhancing its ability to provide up-to-date information. As ChatGPT knowledge can become outdated, this search engine integration is designed to keep it current. On the other hand, Google has already achieved this integration and dominates the market, holding approximately 80% of the global search engine market share. Given Google's stabilized position and extensive user base, it will be challenging for SearchGPT to surpass it. In summary, while SearchGPT is promising development, it remains to see how it will stack up against stabilized search engine like Google. And tell me your opinion about this. And that's all for today's video.